So Forest School is outdoor learning education. It is holistic, it's child-led, and it allows children to have the space to explore the outside.
It helps to grow them academically because they get to grow in their knowledge and understanding of the outdoors, really feel connected with nature, with each other and with themselves.
It's an opportunity to build community and relationships. When people walk beside each other in nature, just naturally relationships are formed, conversations happen. And at the heart of Forest School is that idea of building connections and relationships.
There's a difference between outdoor learning and forest school. So outdoor learning may be taking something that you traditionally could do inside, but doing it outside. The forest school approach is different, that there's a real space in forest school to slow down and a real intentionality behind saying yes.
You know, sometimes we pause, we take a deep breath, we look at the trees, we slow right down, we watch the wind blow. Sometimes, on the other hand, we have lots of energy and we need to run and jump and scream and roar like bears. And it's a space where they are safe and welcome to be who they are and what they need at that time. We want our forest school learners to become resilient people and skilled people who feel confident in the forest and beyond. So a lot of what we do in forest school is just developing that sense of I can, look how strong I am. I can be out in all weather. I can walk up that hill and down that hill. I can jump over those roots. I can use these tools. Look how capable I am. When we go for long hikes, even in the wintertime, they're cold, they're a little bit uncomfortable, but throughout it all, we're having those conversations about how strong we are and we celebrate at the end.
We're so fortunate to have this forest and to have Ansan right here, and a lot of parents have seen the difference that it's made in their children, and they want to be able to do it and they want to understand how to engage with their child in that way. I love also the language development, particularly with our younger students who have more than one language that they're learning, and the difference in when they're talking about something that has meaningful and that has purpose over the space of 8 weeks, the difference in their vocabulary and the way in which they're speaking can be really quite dramatic.
The Forest School experience very much complements the learning experience that's offered by SFS. By the end of the week of the training that I had for Forest School training, it did actually remind me why I went into education in the first place. It was all very much about putting the child at the centre of the learning process. It was about ensuring that there was that balance of academic knowledge, development and understanding, but also with the social emotional side as well. And that having the child at the heart of that process made me think again about what's education for, and to be able to really be in an environment and have a structure that being curious, taking risks and just enjoying the opportunity to learn in the outside in a meaningful way just really sparked something in me as well that made me very excited about leading Forest School sessions and supporting the work that we're doing here.